Good afternoon, Prop. So I will talk about the key figure in total quality management. So one of the key figure in total quality management, I choose William Edwards Deming. So I will talk about the topic of about his contribution in post-war in Japan and also the PDCA cycle of William Edwards Deming. What if I told you that one man transformed the way businesses approach quality and in the process helped rebuild Japan's economy after World War II? Meet William Edwards Deming, the father of modern quality management. William Edwards Deming was an eminent scholar and teacher in American academia. For more than half a century, he published hundreds of original papers, articles, and books covering a wide range of interrelated subjects from statistical variance to systems thinking to human psychology. Here is the photo about post-war in Japan. So William Edwards Deming introduced statistical quality control to the Japanese in the early 1950s when Japan was recovering from World War II and trying to overcome the reputation for shoddy workmanship. So next one is PDCA cycle plan. So Deming wasn't just a statistician, he was a visionary. He believed that businesses succeed when they focus on quality, not just profits. His famous PDCA cycle plan, do, check, act is still used by companies worldwide to continuously improve their processes. Ever heard of Six Sigma or Lean? Yep, his ideas laid the foundation for those too. In my conclusion, today, whether you're buying a car or smartphone or even a cup of coffee, Denny's influence is everywhere. He taught us that quality isn't an act, it's a habit. And that's why he's a legend in total quality management. That's it for Paranga for my key figure in total quality management. Thank you and presented by Danielle F. Gregorio.